Hey guys, today I will review Crypto.com from top to bottom. So I'm going to look at the fees, the pros and cons, and most importantly how Crypto.com compares to other crypto exchanges that I've seen tracking, so you can find the absolute best crypto exchange to buy and sell crypto. So let's start with the good things that Crypto.com offers. The first one is that their security and reputation. So you might want to use this exchange because it's one of the safest platforms in the industry now. There's a bunch of different things to look for when you're checking your platform's security. Crypto.com checks a lot of the boxes. The second reason you might want to consider Crypto.com is because of all the features that they offer. If we look at the products, here they have the Crypto.com app, Crypto.com exchange, which are two different products. I'll explain that soon. NFTs, metal Visa cards, which are very popular rewards. It's obviously a juggernaut platform with over 100 million users. Key features number there is they have over 25 fiat currencies. So it's a popular fiat on-ramp for Canadian dollars, US dollars, and people from many countries can buy crypto from their bank account very easily. And like I mentioned, the Crypto.com app is separate from the exchange. However, you use the same login to access the exchange, but this one has much lower fees than the app. And the exchange is the pro trading interface like this with much lower fees. Now, some of these features might be restricted if you're in the USA or Canada, so you'll have to check that. But they do have much lower fees in the actual application, and we'll cover the app fees in just a second. Now, what are the downsides of Crypto.com? Now, when you're choosing a crypto exchange, these are the 5 things you want to look for. Crypto.com does not have a low fees on the app, so that's a big downside. They also don't have a good user interface. If you're looking at online reviews, a lot of them from Reddit, Trustpilot, there's like thousands of comments saying Crypto.com is legit, but the hidden fees through these spreads are very high. In Crypto.com app, the spread was 3.11% when buying Bitcoin, and a 3% spread is crazy. That is one of the highest, most expensive platforms. Put that in perspective, like Binance or really large platform have a 0% spread on Bitcoin. So that means you're paying around a 1.5 to 2% fee when you're buying Bitcoin on Crypto.com. It's also not very transparent. They have a great security, they have great features, great deposit and withdrawals, but they're one of the most expensive platforms. So that was my review on Crypto.com. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.